Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBPUSD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, dollar finds footing as banking crisis fears calm down. You can see the dollar found support in Asia on weekend as not weekend, Wednesday, as investors dialed back expectations of US rate cuts as fear of a banking crisis ebbed and another stubbornly high inflation print landed. So this is the chart of DXY, and we can see that DXY is trying to take some support around this area, and right now standing at 103.62. so this level here, 103.40, 103.50, this level is working as a temporary support for DXY right now. But we should not forget that the overall sentiment of DXY is still very much bearish, means the sellers are dominating the market here. So as a result, my dear friends, you must be very careful if you're bullish on the dollar right now. Okay, and the market is mostly waiting for the FOMC that is about to take place on the 22nd of March, because after NFP, after the Silicon Valley Bank crisis, after this CPI, the next big event will be FOMC. The FOMC will be very critical, crucial this time on 22nd of March. So till 22nd of March, we may not see some crazy volatility, crazy trend reversal moves on the chart as well. So if DXY fails to take support and starts falling again, there's a high chance of DXY breaking this level. Then the next immediate support on the chart of DXY will be around 102.60 to 102.50. This is the immediate support on the chart of DXY if this level fails. Okay, and there's a high chance of market breaking this level and going down. Today we have news of PPI. After CPI, today we have the news of PPI. So beginners, new traders with low capital, try to close down all your US dollar positions before the news. Watch the market, gain some experience, but do not gamble with your hard-earned money during the news, because market gives us plenty of opportunities to make money. So you should not be gambling. Okay, you should not be playing with your hard-earned money when the news comes out, because in case market gives a mixed response, in case there is no unidirectional movement, then market will be going for hunting SLs, stop losses, and both buys and sells. So be careful. Okay. So news trading is a different ball game, so I do not want to talk much about it, but just make sure that you are careful and following proper risk management, because news trading is considered as one of the hardest form of trading. So now let's talk about GBPUSD. So GBPUSD right now standing at 1.2161. This is the current market price, and as you can see that I am on the 4 hours time frame. So for the last one, 16 to 20 hours, so for one day, we do not see much volatility on the chart of GBPUSD, because this is how volatility works in the market. Market always move from high volatility to lower volatility and lower volatility to higher volatility. So after this high volatile market, you could see that market took some rest and market went up again. Market took some rest, again market went up. So market is in rest mode right now. Market is sleeping. That doesn't mean that market will be sleeping for the next couple of days, because my dear friends, usually these type of levels are also considered as bombs, money making bombs. So whenever there will be a blast, there will be a big move again. So till then, the levels on the chart of GBPUSD are, let's discuss one by one. First of all, we have resistance. If market goes up, we have resistance around 1.2265, 1.2265. This is our resistance number one, or force resistance. So in case market goes up, you can look for some selling around this area, and the reason is previous price rejection. So if you see the market is going up, but there is not much crazy bullishness, If you see market is struggling around 1.2265, it means that sellers around this area are still present and you can look for a sell. But get the confirmation first. In case you see that market is very bullish, market is forming a big green candle at 1.2265, use your common sense. Do not take a sell position because levels are not permanent. Okay, so a trader only trades when the opportunity is right. So okay, just avoid any sell position and wait for the market to hit the second resistance of 1.2308. This is the second resistance. The second resistance is kind of strong because we have Fibonacci 61.8% retracement level here, and the same level also acted as support previously. So the previous support to act as resistance as well as Fibo. So if we combine all the factors here, then there's a good chance that market will reverse. And if market breaks this red line here, 1.2200, you can also go for a buy position. Okay, but be careful because 1.2200 is the resistance right now. Okay, and if possible, try to take a buy at retracement because usually, okay, market go for false breakout, stop loss hunting as well. So please be careful. So if you see the market is going for a breakout, if you see market is trading above 1.2200, observe the volatility of the market. If you see the market is very bullish, you can go for a buy position, or what you can do is you can look at DXY for additional confirmation. See, I showed you the chart of DXY. If you see the DXY is breaking the support and going down, it means that you have the additional confirmation and you can look for a buy. In case you are not convinced enough, okay, if you see that market is trading above 1.2200, but the buying pressure is missing, the buying power is missing, okay, what you can do is you can just wait for the market to retrace and you can go for a buy. So this is what you can do if market goes up. So two resistances, but be careful. Okay, so 1.2264 and 1.2308. And if you're wondering about support, then yes, we have the first support around 1.2106, 1.2106. In case during the day if you see market coming down, you can expect the market to take some support. This support is not very strong. This is the Fibonacci 0.236. Let me show you. This is the Fibonacci 0.236, not a very strong support, so be careful. If you see market taking support, if you see market is showing price rejection from below, then only go for a buy position. And the second support, okay, the second support is around 1.2050. In comparison to this support, 1.2050 is a better support because we have Fibonacci 38.2% retracement, and as well as we also have previous price rejection around this area. So we have two factors that makes this particular level much stronger in comparison to this. So two supports, two resistances on the chart of GBPUSD. Be careful. And during the news, okay, during the news, keep in mind when fundamentals dominate the market, technicals fail. Always remember, if you see market is very bullish during a news, do not try to look for resistance and do not try to take any position against the trend of the market. Follow the trend of the market. If you see market is falling, instead of looking for trend reversal levels, you should be looking for a buy, a sell position. Okay, always follow the trend of the market. Trend is your friend. Okay, so this is it. And my dear friends, from tomorrow onwards, my workshop will start, the 3 days workshop, the world's most affordable Forex trading workshop that I conduct in both Hindi and English language. So if you really want to learn about the market, if you really like my work, then you can consider joining the 3 days workshop. The link is in the description. Everything is mentioned on the website, and the best part is that after the workshop you will also receive support for 1 month. You can see here these are the benefits that you will be receiving for 1 month. Pro Trader program and workshop is same. Workshop is just a part of the Pro Trader program. You can see here I have also made a questionnaire so that you can understand whether the workshop will be useful for you or not, because the workshop is not for complete beginners, mostly for those people who have been making losses, unable to make money for the last couple of months and years. I have also shared my story so that you can understand that nothing is impossible in the market. And the best part is the fees. Yes, the fees is only $15 for 3 days plus 1 month support. Okay, the dates are 16, 17, and 18th of March. The timing is mentioned on the website. And if you're unable to attend, no need to worry because traders from all around the world participate. So due to time difference, they cannot join. So I record each and every session. You can watch the recording later. So this is it. Bye bye. Take care. See you tomorrow.